We're starting another chapter now, and we're going to be taking a look at some alternative output methods. In the previous chapter, we got to a point where we could plot our nice new title block in our nice new layout with the page setup and so on. And we could set that up, and the page setup was set to plot it out to a nice PDF file. I'm going to show you some alternative methods of plotting and communicating your design intent. Now, we've got a new drawing for you for this chapter. It looks remarkably familiar, actually. It is the next iteration of the drawing that you used in the previous chapter. So it's GF 1031 Southeast Madison _ rev1.dwg. The rev1 indicates revision 1 of the drawing. Now, in this particular video, I'm going to show you how to plot from the Model tab. Normally, traditionally, you would plot from a Layout tab, but sometimes when you're in the Model tab, you just need a quick sort of small sheet size plot of something so that you can perhaps take it on site with you to check dimensions and so on. So I'm going to zoom in on the restrooms. There they are there in the drawing, like so. And I just want those restrooms on a small scale sheet, not to scale as such, but just so I can perhaps print it off on a piece of paper, take it with me to site and actually write on the sheet and write my notes on the sheet. Now, nowadays you can do that electronically with PDFs and so on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to save it out as a PDF when I plot from the Model tab. Now, if I come down to the Model tab in the drawing and right click over it, you'll notice there's a plot option. I'm not going to worry about Page Setup Manager. I'm just going to click on plot. Now, you'll get the usual prompts like we had in the previous chapter because we've got more than one layout tab. Just select continue to plot on a single sheet. You don't have to keep this popping up either. Tick the box and it won't show you this again. Now, the plot dialog box for the Model tab is exactly the same as the plot dialog box for the layout tabs. We just haven't got a page setup. We're not using a page setup. Now, at the moment, it's trying to print to my Office printer, my Office Jet Pro 9020. Now, I'm going to click here and go for a high quality print AutoCAD PDF. And I'm going to select a paper size, and I've got every paper size going here because I've got a PDF driver going on. So I'm going to scroll down a bit, and there's the ISO ones. I need the metric ISO ones, and I want an ISO A4 210 by 297. It gives me kind of a portrait look to it. Now, the plot area in this case is going to be different. I'm going to select window from the drop down, and then I'm just going to click and drag and place a window just roughly like that. And you can see there now, can you see that? It's trying to place it on the sheet. Now, as you can see, the window is set up there. I'm going to center it on the sheet. Click on center the plot. We want fit to paper. It's not going to be to scale at all. You just want it to fit on the sheet. So it's going to come up with custom, etc., etc. in there. Plot style table, we'll just set that to monochrome, black and white. Do you want to assign this plot style table to all layouts? Not really. It's just a one-off, so I don't need to worry about it too much. And make sure here, sanity check, you want that to be portrait. Remember, because it's portrait and the sheet orientation is also portrait. So if I now click on preview, can you see now I've got a little one-off sheet that is just scaled to fit with the restroom area on it. I could now right click and plot, and that would save it out as a PDF. I'm just going to exit that preview for the moment, but you can see there that that's how quick and easy it is to plot from the Model tab. I'll click on cancel. I don't need to actually plot that out, so I'll click on cancel like so. That's how quick and easy it is to plot from the Model tab in AutoCAD.